There, I found it. Let's go there.
Hello.
You know, I remember the school stuff. Man,
What?
I remember the school stuff. It was up because we've been there.
You've been there.
This is the earring.
Hi, hi, hi.
This is where I buy my earrings.
Yes.
And you know what? I'm gonna buy a lot of jewelries.
Do you have money?
For just like $1.
$1 only.
I don't know. Let's go to the escalator. Let's go. I can literally see the bags.
Oh, walks faster. She walks faster, Daddy. Oh, where did you get that?
From here.
Oh.
From my hat.
Ice, ice, ice. Sinabahan. Yeah, nice mall here, Anthony. You can buy all stuff you want. That's for babies.
You're right. Come on, let's find my bag.
Bags.
Stitch. I want a
You stream at chest height. Chest height?
this is what I want.
What's
A
that?
baby.
Did I go swimming in the river? No. No river here. Where's the river?
Wait. I actually like this. Not buying Peppa Pig anymore.
She's not going to buy Peppa Pig anymore, Dana. She's sick of Peppa Pig. 3 years of Peppa Pig. It's hot, OMG.
Bagay sa yung pink kasama ng kumuti.
Robbie Roster next. Pili ka lang.
Ayan siya, mas bati. Tapos yan, sa loob, mas maraming isa pang mga dito ng tablet.
Robbie Roster. Or maybe turkey.
Meron ka pang mga organizer. ID mo. Tapos ito, hindi mainit sa likod. Kasi meron mainit sa likod. Tapos flat lang yan siya, mainit sa likod. Ito siya. Mas magandang dito. May sinip ka ha. Tapos dito sa ano, dito siya basta-basta nababasa kasi water repellent itong bag mo. Tapos sa loob may print na yan. Gusto mo ganitong design? Pagkain? Meron din pa yung
Walang pagkain.
gusto mo, may
Yeah.
parang hiwala yung pagkain mo.
Amin lang siya baka na doon.
Maganda to sa. Tapos meron pa kayo phone.
It's up to you. You can look for other first.